Hi guys, in this video you're going to learn how to change your Twitter username, which is now known as X. So you visit x.com, then you're going to log into your account. So you click on the sign in button. Okay, so you input your username, click on next, then input your password, then you click on the login button. All right, so we are in. So visit our profile. Let me show you something. So this is what we want to change. This is the username of this account. So we want to change this. Next, on the left hand side bar, we click on more. So the circle icon. So we click on that. Then we click on settings and support. Scroll down so I could have a proper view. Then you click on settings and privacy. Okay. Next, you click on your account. So ensure you've clicked on that. Next, you click on account information. Okay. So you click on account information. Okay, they might ask you to confirm your password, so you confirm your login details. Okay, so next you'd see where to change your username. So you click on username just at the top. So this is the account information section. So you click on username. Okay, so you'll be able to change your username. So we want to change this Coppola My Business to My Coppola. The My Coppola sounds more, sweet. So we're going to go for My Coppola. All right, so this is beautiful. My Coppola. Then we click on save. Okay, all right, so hit the save button. Okay, so you can see that the username has been changed successfully. Very beautiful. All right guys, so see you in the next video. Bye for now.